Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In today's video, we'll take a look at another important sound combination in Austrian German, namely the OA sound. The OA combination is worth focusing on because Austrians and Bavarians pronounce it quite differently compared to Northern Germans. For example, let's take a closer look at why dahoam is dahoam sounds so unique. After the CH, PF, SP, GSCH sound, we will continue with the OA sound in the upcoming video. Here we go. The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn how to pronounce OA in Austrian German. We'll start with the basics and then we are going to take a look at some examples. Let's start with the pronunciation. The OA sound is a characteristic feature of many Austrian German dialects. It often replaces the diphthong A and sometimes AR in Standard German with a more melodic OR sound. It consists of the letter O and the letter A and is pronounced as one sound, OR. Northern Germans may rather say OR, but in Austria it's rather OR. Some examples will make it easier. Zwei, which is two, becomes zwei, zwei, zwei. Klein, which means small, becomes klein, klein, klein. Schwarz, which is black in English, becomes schwarz, schwarz, schwarz. For example, the Sturm Graz fans call themselves die Schwarzen. In general, this isn't just a random change, it is a deeply rooted part of Austrian dialects, especially in the regions Tyrol, Salzburg and Upper Austria. In contrast, dialects around Vienna prefer a longer A sound, such as zwar oder klar. The OA sound is a result of historical and regional linguistic evolution. Austrian German has been heavily influenced by the Bavarian dialect family, which includes melodic vowel shifts like this one. These changes give Austrian German its distinct character and make it recognizable to native speakers. Let's take a look at some additional examples that can help you to practice the OA sound in more detail. Oa, egg, oa, goas, goat, goas, stunga, stone, stunga, doag, doe, doag, worm, worm, worm. Additionally, we can check out some sentences in which the OA sound occurs. As you know, we start with Austrian German, Standard German, and then translate it into English. The first example: dahoam ist dahoam, daheim ist daheim, home is home, dahoam is dahoam. Second example: wir fahren im Kreis, wir fahren im Kreis, we drive in circles, wir fahren im Kreis. Example number 3. Das weiß ich nicht. Das weiß ich nicht. I don't know that. Das weiß ich nicht. Alternatively, you may come across the following sentences around the area of Vienna. Daheim ist daheim. mir fahren im Gras. Das weiß ich nicht. All in all, we can say that the OA sound is very common, especially in rather western regions in Austria. I hope this tutorial helped you to be more confident with Austrian German pronunciation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And let me know in the comments if there are any other sounds or regional accents you'd like to learn. By the way, if you want to learn more about Austrian German phonetics, please check out my playlist about it. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen, Servus und Baba.